What do an iPhone, iPad, MacBook Pro, desktop PC, and any other gadget have in common? They can now all seamlessly work together thanks to PhotoFast iFlash HD. Your mobile device's extensional storage is virtually doubled in addition to seemingly unlimited capabilities with this one product. The iFlash HD makes transferring, editing, and viewing data between all your iDevices and computers possible with its dual-tip design. With both a standard USB port and either 30-pin or Lightning tip connector, the two ends make it easy to connect with any of your gadgets completely offline without the need for battery power, Wi-Fi, or a mobile network connection in order to work. Whether traveling by airplane for a business trip, stuck in a remote location without reception, or looking to share photos and videos of a recent vacation, iFlash HD seamlessly fits into any lifestyle. iFlash free supporting application allows you to upload, organize, edit, manage, and privately encrypt files including text, photos, videos, and audio. Slim down your travel necessities and leave your bulky laptop at home. iFlash HD and its supporting app allows users to access any document and achieve the same productivity with just their iPhone or iPad thanks to its universal benefits. PhotoFast iFlash HD is available with either the 30-pin connector, Lightning tip adapter, or even both, featuring backwards compatibility and essentially unlimited options. For more information on the iFlash HD, visit photofast.com.